If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because I'm back with another video. So my brows is done. And I'm going to be priming my lids with the P. Louis. I love this base. And I'm just going to be blending it out. I know it's been a while. Y'all know I was in the process of moving. And I'm finally moved and unpacked. And I'm working on my makeup room. I'm in my makeup room right now. I'm going to do a makeup room tour soon when I finish it completely. But yeah, so I'm back and I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me video, a soft glam get ready with me, okay sis? And I love that palette. I'm gonna be using that light brown shade. Everything is gonna be in the description box, and it's all Morphe brushes. All I use is Morphe brushes. Well, not all I use. Y'all know I be using brushes from Marshalls and Morphe, but in this video I'm using Morphe brushes for the eyes and the face, so I'm gonna be using that color as a transition shade, and I'm not gonna talk too much because y'all know I be talking way too much. And don't worry, I will make sure that I put everything in the description box. Don't think I forgot. I'm gonna make sure that I put what number makeup brushes. I'm gonna make sure that I put everything that you need to know that I use, or that you might want to know that I use in this video. So now I'm just gonna be buffing out the edges because y'all know blending is key. I feel like doing a cut crease today, so I'm going to be doing a cut crease, and that brush is from Marshalls. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a cut crease. I don't know, I was feeling a cut crease vibe today with the soft glam. Now I'm going to be going in the orange and red shade just to blend out the outer corners of the eyes. And now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty liquid white liner and putting that in my crease. I don't know, I just want to be dramatic, so I just decided to do that and be extra. Y'all know I'm extra. And then I'm going to be putting that white in the inner corners of my eyes. And as y'all see, I used I don't know if I didn't record the liner on camera, but I'm using the black liquid liner, the NYX, my favorite liner, and then I left a little space to put white in the middle, so kind of like it's a double liner. And I applied the lashes off camera. These lashes, I got a surprise for y'all soon, so just stay tuned. And I didn't talk too much during the foundation and concealer and everything, because I do have a video on my face, what I use in my face, my favorite foundation and concealer. But I am going to be doing an updated foundation routine soon, and what I do in the primers. But yeah, that's why another reason why I didn't talk too much during this part, because I am going to do an updated video on my face.